How to solve 3 power x plus 9 power x is equal to 27 power x. Find the value of x. So we have 3 power x plus 9 power x is same as 3 power 2 bracket power x is equal to 27 power x is same as 3 power 3 bracket power x. In the next step we have 3 power x plus here we apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So 3 power 2 bracket power x is same as 3 power x bracket power 2 is equal to also here we apply this exponential rule, so it will be 3 power x bracket power 3. Now we see 3 power x, 3 power x, 3 power x, every term is same. So, let 3 power x is substituted by k. So this equation will be k power 3 is equal to k plus k square. In the next step we have k power 3, then this plus k square take to the left side, so this will be minus k square, and also this plus k take to the left side, so this will be minus k is equal to 0. Now here we take common k, so k is out of the bracket, so this divided by this, that means k square, then this minus k square divided by k, that means it will be minus k, then this minus k divided by k, that means it will be minus 1, bracket close is equal to 0. Now I can write here k is equal to 0 or k square minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. We see k is equal to 0, but remember that 3 power x is substituted by k, so k that means 3 power x. Now k that means 3 power x is equal to 0. This power x, imagine that any number, so 3 power any number is always greater than 0, so 3 power any number cannot be equal to 0, so this is rejected. Now from here we apply quadratic formula, so you can write here k is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a will be equal to 1, b will be equal to here negative 1, c will be equal to negative 1. Now k is equal to minus b, that means negative 1, so it will be bracket negative 1 plus or minus a square root of b square, that means negative 1 bracket a square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means negative 1, so it will be bracket negative 1, then divided by 2 times a, that means 1. In the next step k is equal to minus times negative 1, so it will be positive 1 plus or minus a square root of negative 1 bracket square, that means positive 1, then minus times minus, that means plus 4 times 1 times 1, that means it will be 4 divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. Now we see here two cases, so two cases, so you can write here k is equal to 1 plus square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5 divided by 2, or k is equal to 1 minus square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5 divided by 2. Remember that k, that means 3 power x. So here that k, that means it will be 3 power x is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, or k, that means 3 power x is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now this power x, imagine that any number, so 3 power any number is always positive. But here 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative, so positive cannot be equal to negative, so this is rejected. Now from here we apply log in both sides. So log of 3 power x is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now this power x will move to the base, so it will be x log 3 is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now we need the value of x, so we divided by log 3 in both sides, divided by log 3, so this log 3 will be cancelled. Now here x is equal to this divided by log 3, so it will be log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 base of 3. So this is the value of x, so this is our final answer. Please do like this video and also subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.